How to upload profile picture on Instagram without cropping. Hey everybody, in this video I will show you how to upload profile picture on Instagram without cropping. To start, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. Once you are now on Instagram, tap on your profile on the bottom right. Then in here you should see your Instagram profile. Now the next step is to open your Google Play Store. Over at Google Play Store, you're going to be searching for Square Photo. Then in here, download this application called Square Fit. Once you already have it, click on Open. Then over at Square Photo, select Edit this time. And then in here, select the picture that you want to edit into a square form. Once you have now selected one, edit it the way you want it to appear over at Instagram. Once satisfied, select Save on the upper right. Now open your Instagram application this time, and then go to your profile, then select Edit Profile. In here, select Edit Picture or Avatar. Then, select New Profile Picture. This will now allow you to browse your gallery and select one that you want to use. In here, use the recently edited image that we had. Then, you can now edit it the way you want it to be, and then you can now change your Instagram profile picture. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you got some value in this one. So please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.